In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two Instagram apps on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, I have my main Instagram application right here. Then I have my second one, which is Instagram V2. You can see the icons are different, things like that. But let's say you don't know how to do that. All you got to basically go ahead and do is firstly open up Safari like so, and then just search up Instagram. And this is where you can log into a second account. So it's very useful if you want to have two accounts logged in at the exact same time. Then go to Instagram.com. And what you could do is right now it's opening for me properly. But what I could basically go ahead and do is long press on it. I want to press share on the very bottom. And then what I could go ahead and do from here is I'm going to see more options, but I want to press more on the bottom. Then what I could go ahead and do, it's going to give me an option to add it as an app. Once you press add it as an app, it's going to show it right here. As you can see, I have Instagram and Instagram V2 right there. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.